Cold Kiwi's done, Wairuru, and I don't know where I'm going to go. I'm heading north, so I'm looking like I'm going up the desert road for now, and still trying to think in my mind about where I'm going to stay tonight. Where are we going to end up? Mount Ruapehu, the mountains, the desert, stunning from the east side. What's so awesome about the desert road, multiple landscape type scenery, from the desert-like obscure to the native forest, the windy road, and to the awesome forest of pine. I had a wee look in Turangi to have a look there and see whether there was something I might want to say, hey, I want to stay here. Up the side of Lake Taupo, and I thought I'd stop off at this here lookout point and see if I can make a decision, and also make a couple of phone calls, and just to really take in the extreme beauty of what the mountain and this lake represent. Lake Taupo is a non-active volcano, but I guess it could blow. I did have an extreme fleeting thought of the Hilton Taupo on the right there, to stop in and stay. Yeah, right. Well, I just paid $10 to go for and do a walk around Craters of the Moon or something. Geothermal walk. Don't know why, because I don't have much. I've got time. I have no idea where I'm going, so. But do I really need to walk in 2 layers of pants and 2 jerseys and a shirt and everything else that I've got on? But anyway, we are here, we're doing it. I reckon it's going to take 45 minutes to an hour. We'll have a quick wander around, get dehydrated, and probably around about half, hopefully. Yes, hopefully it's worth it, worth $10 to see the whatever it is we're going to see. Yeah, it looks like some serious steaminess is up there. You know what was cool today was riding along the desert road, which I didn't intend on doing. I didn't really know where I was going to go. Riding up the desert road, looking at the mountain from the other side. It's on crystal day. And Turangi coming up through Taupo, looking across the lake at the mountain. And now I have no idea where I'm heading next, but I'm heading somewhere at the moment. I'm heading on this broad walk. Oh well, I've got a quarter of the way. You can hear quite a hiss of the steam coming out from the rock. It's pretty cool. So the Griso and I, from the Craters of the Moon, rode back into Taupo looking for somewhere maybe to eat, but the town was just so damn busy and I just could not be bothered with it. I just wanted to get out, so head north, and I had a wee bit of a look on Rankers and looking at where I could possibly stay. I think, well, we'll just head towards Taumarunui and sort of take some back roads and see what the scenery is like. The thing I really like, and I said this before, is the rolling hills and variable scenery that you see just looking out from everywhere. I did take a wrong turn. I had to do a U-turn and come back. My GPS, I didn't look down soon enough to notice that I needed to take a left turn, so as you do, head, turn around, come back. So I didn't want to potentially get lost and not be able to be found. Not before I needed to anyway. There's a pretty awesome view from up here. Lake Taupo over there, you can't probably see it that well in the mountains. So I've been around from the far side there of the Ruapehu, up past Ngarahoe, Tongariro, and up the desert road there to the top of Taupo there, and now we're heading down towards Taumarunui. It's cold, it's only about 11 degrees at the moment, and I took the jersey off after doing that walk, and it got too hot. Now it's on the flip side, now I'm too cold. So it's called structure they built here. I had no idea where I was going, that's my problem. In some ways I guess winging it is not necessarily a good idea, because then you have no idea, nothing to aim for. But at the same time, I've got a plan and we're going. So that's one good thing about the old Guzzy, you can warm up your gloves.
Arriving into Taumarunui town, an old town I remember back from my youth. We were going to the cinema here and watch the movies and get groceries and go to cafe and stuff. Back when custard squares and stuff was only 70 cents. What I really like here is the culture, and the entranceway to the new world with the Maori carving and stuff is really awesome, and I really like that. Out through Taumarunui, up over the hill and past the hospital and stuff, and then turn left and head down a road that is called the Forgotten Highway. I heard this one is quite an iconic road, so I'm going to head down here. I think I might have found a place that I can set me up a tent.
Well, this is quite a nice place to camp. I can't remember the name of the place now. Takanga Nohanga. Looks like you can launch your boats and stuff off here. So there's a sign up there that tells us what this place is called. Ohiniapani. I can imagine this place would be going off in the summertime with camping, that's for sure. I would imagine. Anyway, I haven't eaten a thing since last night. I think the last thing I ate was a hot dog or a hot bottle of chips. So I ran out of hot dogs. So I am, to be honest, a little bit peckish. So this is on the road, the Forgotten Highway. Never been down this way before, so I must take the opportunity. It was a good ride today, aside from the fact that I should have stopped and had some food. Stopped in Taupo, I was going to eat there, but I just couldn't see a place that I wanted to stop at, and the place was just crazy with people. It was too hot. I couldn't be bothered. I had some water and that was about it. So I need to put this fly on. I'm not sure if there's going to be any sandflies around. I can't see any just yet. Or can I? Is that a sandfly? Yes. Oh. We better close this up, because last thing I want to do is get bitten and howl all through the night. I don't have sandfly repellent on this trip. My bad. Well, must be time to get this party started, as it were. Brought this cheese on last Thursday, so hopefully the cheese will be alright. Really like some. Don't be shy. Oh, that's looking pretty good. And we've got ourselves a Heineken. Original salted crackers. Well, I've got one word for you. Cheers. After a great day riding, North Island's got, the roads appear to be wider. Don't know if it's fact or not, but they seem to be wider. There are some pretty dodgy bits where the surface is not that flat, or it's bumpy and lumpy. Don't know if it's worse in South Island or not, probably similar. in a way. I used to live in National Park, I think I said earlier. So Taumarunui was a town we used to visit for groceries and stuff. So the place is sort of familiar and quite cool just to even just ride, you know, through the town. There was a sign earlier on and just down the road saying high motorcycle crash rate or something like that. I'm guessing. I have seen lots of photos online, Facebook and stuff, of people at the Waimangara Hotel. I'm guessing this road is pretty iconic motorcycle highway, I'm guessing. I'll see tomorrow. Just a bit of a shame I don't have a rear brake to be able to get into the corners a bit more. It's alright. In some ways I want to get home, so I just take it easy. Looking forward to getting home at the same time, but I'm really enjoying. I wasn't enjoying this morning so much. I enjoyed the ride, but then when I got to a stalemate with myself about where I was going to camp, where I was going to do, I thought about getting a cabin somewhere when I wanted more of a camping experience, so this has sort of worked out perfect. Actually, that spot would have been a pretty nice place to have camped also. Got toilets up here. They all do have a toilet. Amenities wise, that's fine. Perfect. I wouldn't trust that though, because they're bloody very old. There could be a dead rat in there. It's funny because I haven't been in without cell phone reception pretty much the entire trip so far, so it's kind of like a little bit unusual now to have no reception. And the first like 10 minutes was a bit like, oh, I feel out of contact all of a sudden, but now I've got the pot sizzling, peas starting to puff up there now, got the onion going, got some sausages here, and just sit back, listen to the sounds of the nature, watching hawks circling above, looking for a feed. You really start to unwind from that connectivity. I mean, it's bloody awesome to have it, isn't it? Without a connection to the world, it's a really good time. Take a breath and live in the now, isn't it? And to step away from what you're used to is the really tricky, difficult part at times, sometimes. And it's only going to get worse, I guess. Good morning from this beautiful riverside camp.
The map from where the Cold Kiwi was to where I stayed last night.
Gonna make a hot chocolate and look at packing up and getting on the go. Just on 8 o'clock, so it's still very early. No rush, but we'll take our time. And yeah, awesome. Righto, we're all packed up and time to head on down the Forgotten Highway. Funny thing, the Forgotten Highway doesn't seem very forgotten. There's a lot of traffic. Well, not a lot, but if there's a bit of traffic using this road. And a couple of people I spoke to seem that they've been down here many times. The Unforgotten Highway. Looking forward to the take it easy ride. I'm just going to chill. Pitch black, so dark last night, real quick, and I was quick to go to bed, and then that was about, I don't know, 6:30 or something like that. Watched the end of a TV show, and then from there I went, woke up about midnight. It was bright as hell. Moon was out, the sky was looking awesome. That was when I found the lumps and the bumps in the ground you don't see when you put the tent down, and they dig right into the back of your back.